welcome back to my channel. This is Vinisha Banerjee, and in this channel I make DIY and home decor related videos. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, and if you haven't, please do consider subscribing. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this wall hanging. This kind of wall hanging is very much trendy and looks stylish, but if you want to buy this online, it will cost you more than 400-500 bucks. But I'm going to show you how, without spending so much, you can make it at home. So without further delay, let's get started.
Okay guys, for this DIY you will need a cardboard piece, flat brush, pencil, scissors, 3 acrylic colors. You will also need jute thread, black acrylic color and Fevicol. At first, take the cardboard piece, measure it and cut it into 3 equal parts. Now we will color them. I am taking pink color to color the first piece. After coloring, it looks something like this. I think it will need another coat. Now take another cardboard and a different color to paint it. After the first coat, they look like this. Let them dry and then we will go for another coat of color. And after the second coat, they look like this. Guys, here I have written good vibes only. You can write anything you want. Now we will color it using black acrylic color. Place your jute rope like this, and now place your cardboard pieces like so. Now stick the cardboard pieces with the rope using glue. And that is how it looks. Sasta, Sundar and Tikau.
I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and also let me know in the comments what kind of DIY videos you want me to make for my channel.